Good morning, my dear students. Take out same chapter that we were doing last week, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. We were not able to complete this chapter. So let's continue with the same one. We were doing rearrange. Okay. So you all were trying your level best to solve these rearranged, put them in proper order. But in between, we had to over the class because time was running out. So let's continue with the same one. So third, rearrange. The villagers tried the crime on the young woman to pin. You all should have books in your hands, pencils in your hands. Only then you will be able to do it. Okay? So don't get lazy. Keep pencils in your hand. So third, to pin the crime. This hint I am providing you, to pin the crime. So here idiom will be used to pin the crime. Yes. So now try to do and type in chat box. Now try to do and type in chat box to pin the crime. Yes, you can type in chat box. Third one, to pin the crime. Yes, the villagers tried to pin the crime on the young woman. The villagers tried to pin the crime on, yes, the young woman. Next is, next hint that I am providing you. Yes, in fourth, what idiom is used? Type in chat box what idiom is used in fourth. What idiom is used in fourth? Hurry up. Yes, under doctor's order. Under doctor's order. So what will be its answer? Yes. Under one's, yes, under doctor's order. Bipin Babu loved telling people that he was under doctor's order. Yes, to eat early. It means instructions were given by doctor. Suggestion, or you can say instructions were given by doctor. Yes. So Bipin Babu, yes. I'm reading your messages in chat box. We have done all, yes. But I think last were discussed so fast. Students were having confusion. So you check your answer if it is done. Fourth, Bipin Babu loved telling people that he was under doctor's order to eat early. Now fifth. Fifth is, in fifth you have to write down raised the eyebrows. Yes, raised the eyebrows. This hint I have provided you. Now try to use it into a sentence. Raised the eyebrow. Who will be telling me this answer? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Who is going to tell me this answer? Raised the eyebrow. Yes. Okay, Arish, you tell me. What will be
Yes,
the
ma'am.
answer?
The
Yes.
teacher raised his eyebrows when the students said that they had revised all their lessons.
Yes, it means to feel annoyed, showing annoyance. So the teacher raised his eyebrows when the student said that they had revised all their lessons. Clear? Now, bache, we are going to move to next question, and this question is a long answer. Okay, it requires lots of detail, and you have to do this answer in your fair notebook. Clear, bache? You have to do this answer in your fair notebook. Okay, and for this we are going to discuss it. We will be having so many hints. With the help of these hints, we will be framing our answer. So let's move to next. What do you think happened when Bepin Babu came to know the truth? See, in the last, we have come to know that Bipin Babu really had no lapse of memory. He had not lost his memory. This was a suspense, and I was expecting my 8th class students that they should ask me, they should answer me. But your class is so strange. Nobody asked, nobody was so inquisitive and eager to know. Ma'am, really it happened? Really he got the treatment for that? Really he had not been to Ranchi? What was that? Because it was basically a trip played by his friend, his schoolmate Chunni Bab. So at last, when Bipin Chaudhary came to know that he was fit and fine, he did not require any kind of treatment from the doctor. He was okay. So what was the result when he came to know that his friend had played this trick in order to teach him a lesson? So what was his reaction? Tell me. Suppose you were in his place and one of your friend played such kind of trick with you in order to teach you a lesson. So what will be your response? You will get annoyed with that person, you will not talk to that person, or you will forgive that person, or you will fight with that person. Think about this situation if it happens with you. Think about. And I'm going to write down these hints in front of you. You type in chat box one line. What will you do if you were in his place? Tell me. Hurry up. Now tell me what you are going to do if you were in his place. Type in chat box. Yes. Okay. Shame, able, sad. I was not able to help him. Okay. Next student, type. Hurry up. Yes, bache. Those who are typing, that's good. Akul Kohli. Yes, Turanya. Okay. Pari has written, I will forgive him because it was my mistake. Very good perspective, Pari. Janvi has written, filled with remorse. Very good. Very good vocabulary words you are using. Good. Pari and Janvi, very good. Keep participating in my class. Very good. Hurry up. Yes. Karanya has written, I would forgive him. Okay. So you all are writing very good. Yes. So in fact, what was that? In fact, it was a trick of, it was a trick of Chunni Babu. First of all, you have to give this introduction that it was a trick of Chunni Babu. Okay. Why it was a trick? To test his friendship, loyalty. Was he faithful? Was he faithful? Faithful you can write down. It means loyal. Was he loyal? He wanted to test his friendship. He wanted to test his friendship. Yes, he wanted to see that he was loyal or not. Clear? So pick up all the hints, then frame your answer. First of all, you should know that it was a trick. Why Chunilal had played this trick? Because he wanted to test about his loyalty, that he was faithful or not. Okay. So now you have to describe the feelings of, now you have to describe the feelings of Bipin. What kind of feelings? Mixed feelings. Okay, which kind of feelings? Angry? Angry or not? Relieved also? Because he came to know, he came to know, he came to know he was not having any health problem. He came to know he was fit and fine. He came to know he was fit and fine. Having no problem, having no problem of, having no problem of lapse of memory. Yes. Now I'm going to read your messages. Yes, mixed feeling. Yes, angry plus disappointed also good. Okay, Akul has written very good that he was angry because Chunni tricked him, but disappointed when came to know Chunni tricked him because of only if he had Chunni at his worst time, he would not tolerate all these tricks. Yes. So he learned a lesson. It was justified. It was justified. Yes. It was justified. Yes, it was justified. He some students are writing so well in chat box. What about others? Afterwards, I will call any. I will ask any of the child to give me this answer, long answer, because so many hints are provided to you. He learned a lesson. Okay. Which kind of lesson he had learned? Which kind of? Never to say no to best friend. Never to say no to best friend. Always help in need. Very good. Always help in need. Yes. Yes. Lesson of faith and friends. Very good. Prabsharan Jyot, Toranya, Anjani, all are writing very well. Okay. Now, bache, pick up all these hints, and with the help of these hints, you start framing your answer. I have provided you so many hints. With the help of these hints, you frame your answer. Okay. Now, start framing. So many hints are right in front of you. You have to arrange all those ideas In brief introduction, you have to tell that he had no lapse of memory. It was basically a trick of Chunni Babu. Okay. Chunni Lal, sorry. He wanted to test his friendship. He wanted to test about his loyalty, that was his friend faithful or loyal to him or not. Okay, but there was a mixed kind of feeling. He became happy also that he had not having any kind of lapse of memory. But on the other hand, he was having problem. He became little bit annoyed also. But in this way, he had also learned a lesson that he should always help his friend. Okay, he should not behave like this. So I expect this answer from so many students. Now get ready. First of all, I will be listening from Janvi, then from Akul. Afterwards, anyone. Okay, so Janvi, you tell me what have you written?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 second. When Bapin Babu came to know the truth of how Chunilal tricked him, he was ashamed and filled with remorse, combined with a mixed feeling of anger for not helping Chunilal when he would came to him asking for help. Bapin Babu was angry on Chunilal for his ill health. However, he was also happy to know that he didn't suffer any memory loss whatsoever. Soon after, he realized that he had indeed become a victim of forgetfulness by forgetting the real purpose of friendship due to his affluence. Bapin Babu learned a lesson from this incident that he should be faith and loyal to his friend and help his friend in his help, and he decided to always help a friend in need and going forward.
Okay, very good. She has picked all these points, but she has added one point from her side that was perfect. That she has written that he became a victim of forgetfulness. Yes, forgetfulness. Why so? Because at the time of adversity, at the time of adversity, another word for adversity is misfortune. So Chunni helped him. But when Chunni required his help, so he behaved like this. So he uh, came to know that he was a victim of forgetfulness, because when Chunni required his help, so how did he behave? So he should not have behaved like this. So this thing he had learned. Clear, bache? Now afterwards, Akul, you tell me this answer.
Ma'am, this chapter is all about friendship. When Chunilal was in his worst times, Bipin Babu didn't help him. Chunni played this trick to test his friendship, loyalty, and to test was Bipin faithful or not. When Bipin Babu came to know about all this, he had mixed feelings. That is, he was angry and disappointed also. He was angry because Chunni tricked him, but disappointed also when he came to know that Chunni tricked him because of him only. If he helped Chunni at his worst times, he wouldn't tolerate all these tricks. Bepin Babu was relieved also that Bepin Babu was relieved to listen that he was fit and had no disease and had no lapse of memory. He and all of us learned that we should never say no to our best friends and help them as much as we can.
Very good. Perfect. All ideas are properly arranged. You have taken all these hints. Okay. Afterwards, Harman Pal. And afterwards, I will ask any of the girl. Get ready, all the girls. Yes, Harman, what have you written?
I'm the same answer.
Yes, bache.
Yes, ma'am. When Bipin Babu got to know that Chunilal had tricked him due to a reason that that Bipin Babu didn't help Chunilal at his bad times, and he at that time realized that he had not helped, and he was disappointed and angry also, as he had to go Ranchi and go to a doctor to consult about his lapse of memory. So at last he thought that he should help, all must help to their friends at must to extent as they can.
Okay, good. Clear. Now let's move to next question. I forgot that I should have asked to a girl about this answer. So this answer I'm going to ask Samiksha. Samiksha, you tell me. Yes, Samiksha, your answer is ready or not? Samiksha, are you ready with your answer? See, no response from her side. Pari, you tell me. Pari, you tell me this answer. Yes, bache.
This one. When Bipin Babu came to know that Chunilal had tricked him, he was feeling ashamed and he had a mixed feeling of anger that he did not help his best friend Chunilal, and he was also feeling relieved that he didn't have a memory loss. But in the end, we can say that it was justified that he learned a lesson from it, that we should always help our friends and also help them in the time of need.
And you add that point also, one of the student told me that he came to know that he was a victim of forgetfulness.
Okay, ma'am.
Add those lines also. These were very best line. One of the child told about these lines in your class. I was so impressed. Okay, now beta, let's move to next question. In next question, there is a writing skill. Imagine you are Bipin Chaudhary. You have received Chunnilal's letter and feel ashamed that you did not bother to help an old friend down on his luck. Now you want to do something for him. Write a letter to Chunnilal promising to help him soon. Now, before doing this letter, I think we should discuss about format. Imagine in your mind that you are Bipin Chaudhary. You are aware of this thing that you did not help Chunni Lal at the time of his adversity. Okay, so you have received Chunni Lal's letter and you feel ashamed that at the time of adversity you were least bothered to help him. But now you have realized your mistake. You're feeling ashamed of yourself. You're going to write down a letter to your friend Chunni Lal and you will promise in that letter that yes, you are going to help him. So all of you get ready with your notebooks, write down this format and then we will be writing this letter. Clear, bache? So get ready. So what you will be writing in very first line of letter writing, because it is informal letter writing. So you have to write down first format. Format of informal letter writing. Informal letter writing. And bache, you will be doing this letter writing in format of informal letter writing in your fair notebooks also. Okay. So what will be the first line? It will be yes. It will be yes. Sender address. Sender's address. Okay. After that, you will skip one line. Then you will be writing date. Then you will skip one line. You will be writing salutation. Copy this format as it is. Okay. Then in salutation, after salutation, body of the letter. In body of the letter, what you are supposed to write down in para first? Reason for writing a letter. Reason for writing a letter. So briefly explain why are you going to write down this letter. In paragraph number 2, you will be writing all the details. Details. Okay. In details, what will come? In details, what will come? Are you writing in your notebooks? You have to copy in your fair notebooks also. Yes, in detail, what will come? All the information or message you want to convey. Clear? So what we are going to write down in paragraph number 3, convey your best wishes. Convey your best wishes. Yes. And after that, you will be writing leave taking. That you are going to take a leave. So leave taking. Leave taking line. Okay. You can say leave taking expressions. Expressions you have to write down. Okay. Then complimentary close. After that, complimentary close, then name of the center. Okay. Keep your mics mute, बच्चे. So this is the format of informal letter writing. You will be writing this, and here you have to take one line. Wherever the wherever there is a requirement of a space, I have added that. So this is the format you have to write down in your fair notebooks. After writing this format, we will be doing 2 letters. One letter that is given in your literature book, and another letter I will be giving you something else, and we will be discussing it tomorrow. Clear, bachche? Clear? Am I clear to you? Have you written this format? Type in chat box if you have written so that I can move further. Akul and Harman are still raising their hands. What happened? So here we are going to discuss about the hints. Hints for this letter. So what will be the hints? See, sender address, you can write down any address. Okay. Date, you will be writing full date of today's. And salutation. In salutation, what you are going to write down? You are not going to write down your friend's name here. What you are, suppose you are Bepin Babu. Yes. So here you will be writing, my dear Chunni Lal. Yes. So now arrange 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph, you have to mention the reason for writing a letter. Okay. You will tell your feelings, that feeling ashamed, full of remorse, yes, very much. Type in chat box. I'm reading your messages side by side. Very much disappointed. Yes. Plan to. Yes. Plan to write down. So these are the hints. With the help of these hints, you frame first paragraph. So these are the hints for first paragraph. Okay. Now in second paragraph. So in second paragraph, how you are going to help him? Yes. Give him a good job. Yes. Tell about that job. Tell about the kind of job. All the details you can mention in second paragraph. Tell about kind of job. Yes. Profile for that. Which kind of job is this? Profile of the job. Okay. So describe about all kind of job. It means you are going to provide him help. Provide him help, but in a smart way. In a smart way. Okay. Now third paragraph. Tell him to meet you. Tell him to meet you. Yes. Show hope. Show hope. So such kind of. Okay. Then with regards. With regards. Yes. Yours. Sincerely. Yes. Yours sincerely. Bepin. Clear? So in this way, you will be framing this letter. I have provided you all the hints. You take so many points from your side also. Frame a very good letter. Okay, bache? And if you require any help, you can ask me now. If there is any difficulty, any problem, with the help of these hints, you will be framing your letter. Okay, because in Blackboard, sometimes there is a problem. Blackboard is blurred. Sometimes content is not clear. sometime you face any kind of difficulty. So that's why I have written there. You can take screenshot also if you want, but you side by side write down. This format of informal letter writing you will be doing in your fair notebook as it is. After writing this format in your fair notebook, you will be doing this letter. But this letter, first of all, do in rough notebook. We are going to discuss it tomorrow in detail. With the help of these hints, you all can frame. But you add your hints also. Write down hint, write down all the hints in rough, like I have written in front of you. Then arrange all the ideas in a systematical order, but follow the proper format. That first of all, you have to mention in first paragraph that why you are going to write down this letter. You are full of remorse, you are repenting on yourself. You are very much disappointed and you plan to write down. And in second paragraph should be full of details that I have found a very good job. There is one of my friend who wants to appoint you on the post of an assistant. It is a very good job. It will give you a very good perks. Perks means very good salary. Okay. And this is the profile of the job, that here you have to work like an assistant as you were earlier working. You have a lot of experience in that field. And I know my good friend will be able to do this good job. Okay, it is a golden opportunity. You should not miss it. And in last paragraph, you tell him that you just come next week on Sunday. You can come and meet me. I will introduce to you my friend. And there is a hope that definitely you will be able to get this job. Hope to see you soon. Okay, like this. And at last, with regards, yours sincerely. Here, bache, yes, here you can skip one line. After hope, after this paragraph, you can skip one line, with regards and yours sincerely. Write down the spellings of sincerely very, very carefully. So pick up all these hints and frame this letter. And you, tomorrow I don't want to see blank faces. You all should be very much eager to read your letter in front of me. We'll be reading from your rough notebooks and I will be appreciating you. I will be telling your negative how to polish it. If it will be perfect letter, so definitely I will be appreciating you. Okay, students. Now thank you and have a nice day. Take care of yourself.